Hi, dear Chair, distinguished delegates, dear cooperator friends, greeting from Turkey. My name is Ünal Örnek. I am an agricultural economist and corporate development specialist with more than 40 years of experience in strengthening cooperatives, supporting rural communities, empowering disadvantaged groups, and promoting sustainable development. Throughout my career, I have worked with cooperatives, farm organizations, FAO, World Bank, and many national and international institutions. Today, I have the privilege of serving as a board member of the Cooperative Europe, advisor to the board of the ICO, and coordinator of training, research, and international relations at ORCO. This experience has taught me that cooperatives are much more than economic enterprise. They are powerful tools for solidarity, democracy, inclusion, and peace. Today, our world faced major challenges, including climate change, inequality, food insecurity, conflict, and social division. Cooperatives have a unique role in addressing these challenges by putting people at the center of the development. If I elect to ICA board, I will work to strengthen member engagement, support youth and women leadership, and cooperation among ICA members and sectors, and increase this visible and impact of cooperative worldwide. I firmly believe that together we can build stronger cooperatives, stronger communities, and a more peaceful world. I will be honored to serve the global cooperatives movement and respectfully ask for your support. Together, let us strengthen cooperatives, strengthen communities, and strengthen peace. Thank you.